Don't try this at home. We're not professionals.
Not by any means, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes. Hey guys, and welcome back to House Renovations. Now, we don't have our foreman for the second day in a row because he called out again because it was a little too cold. Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to House Renovations Chapter 2, Episode 10, the final episode in Chapter 2. Now, today's project is caulking both this wall and the wall around. Dad's going to work on one wall, I'm going to work on the other. So, without further ado, and without further delay, let me get started, and I'll see you guys when I get to the work. Alright guys, fire started, let's get to work. So there isn't much but just caulking today, but I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. It has been a pleasure to make these videos for you guys. It's also been a pleasure to work with my dad on this project. We haven't had this much fun, nor have we had a great time like this in years. I appreciate you guys sticking around for this, and believe me, there's definitely more to come. The old man and I both decided that, it was better to divide and conquer today. So that's why you're going to see the camera flipping from him to me, to him to me. And then I got a shot of us both working. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the caulking montage. What's crazy is we got an awful late start today. I mean, normally we start in between 9 and 11 o'clock in the morning. We started at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and we still finished both walls. Now, it may seem like a crazy white sticky mess, but it's really not. It helps put the finishing touches on, so when we put on the paint, everything looks smooth and uniform.
Alright guys, we are all caulked up. Now, we didn't do these top rows, but there's a reason for that, and I'll explain that in the outro of the video, guys. But we are all caulked up and ready to go.
Alright guys, and that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching Chapter 2, Episode 10. Now, this is the last episode in Chapter 2 because we are going to be starting the roof for Chapter 3. Now, there won't be any videos for about the next week or two because I am going on vacation for a little bit, take a little break, charge creative batteries. Old man needs to rest up too. So, I hope to see you guys in the next one, and remember, you can pick up your Brat Bear swag at the link in the description down below if you're on YouTube, and the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. I hope you guys have a wonderful night.